Why do 75% of tech enthusiasts love DIY hacks? Because they make life so much easier. Let's kick things off with cord control. Sick of tangled cables? Grab some binder clips or clothespins and clip them to your desk. Voila, instant cable management. Next, need a phone stand? Don't toss that empty tissue box just yet. Cut a slit in it and bam. You've got a phone stand for hands-free video calls or binge watching. Now, keyboard shortcuts. Learning a few can save you tons of time. Think Ctrl plus C for copy or Ctrl plus V for paste. Easy, right? Struggling with weak phone signal at home? Try making a DIY signal booster with an aluminum can. Tons of tutorials online to guide you through it. Sounds like a fun weekend project. Lastly, caught in the rain without a water-resistant phone case? No worries. Just pop your phone into a resealable plastic bag. Zip it up and you're good to go. These hacks are just the tip of the iceberg. With a little creativity, you can transform everyday items into tech heroes. Give them a try and see the magic unfold.